हेलो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे एमपीसी कीप्स रेपो रेट अनचेंज्ड। आरबीआई की तरफ से एक खबर आई है और इसके टोटल 6 मेंबर्स थे और एक तो आरबीआई का गवर्नर था एंड मेंबर्स ऑफ आरबीआई के 2 थे, ठीक है। और जो गवर्नमेंट ने नॉमिनेटेड किए हुए थे वो 3 थे मेंबर्स। Okay, this is the sixth policy on the trot when the MPC has kept the repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. Last time repo rate raised from 6.25% to 6.5% in Feb 2023. Monetary Policy Committee of the RBI will begin a 3-day meeting on 6 June to discuss the second bi-monthly monetary policy for fiscal 2023 to 24. Most economists and analysts expect the RBI to keep the policy repo rate unchanged 6.5%. Reserve Bank of India, Central Bank of India, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया भी कहा जाता है, स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी। और जो सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है ये मैनेज करता है प्राइमरी फंक्शंस टू मैनेज एंड गवर्न द फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम ऑफ कंट्री। स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी इस्टेब्लिश इन द ईयर 1935 और 1935 ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 के अंदर भी आता है, जैसे कि इंडियन पॉलिटी चैप्टर नंबर 1 हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड। Under the RBI Act 1934, main function issue and supply the Indian rupee. इन RBI बैंक को bankers of the bank भी कहते हैं। Important role in Indian development by supporting the government. Monetary policy of RBI regulate the money supply, availability of credit card and interest rates. Second step, primary goal of monetary policy of RBI is main price stability. Third step, Monetary Policy Committee is responsible for fixing the benchmark interest rate in India. Why will RBI pause? Consumer price index based inflation or retail inflation declined 18 months low 4.7% in April from 5.7% in the March. उसके बाद RBI comfort zone 2 to 6%. India's gross domestic product expanded at 6.1% Jan to March 2023. उसके बाद what are the changes that RBI will change its policy stance? 3 steps थे. Rate will decrease, it will remain neutral, it will increase. Withdrawal of accommodation, wait and watch mode. Liquidity condition in the bank system has improved because of the deposit of 2000 bank notes. Tunnel benchmark lending. Rates linked to the repo rate will not rise. Banks will also not increase fixed deposit rates in case of pause. Deposit of rupees 2000 bank notes. Practice question for prelims. Consider the following statement regarding Monetary Policy Committee of RBI. The committee consists of 5 members. All members are from RBI. The committee is constituted by CBI. CBI मतलब Central Bank of India. Central Bank of India. आपने मुझे इसका आंसर देना है कि इसका आंसर क्या आएगा। उसके बाद Nostro and Vostro accounts RBI. RBI has allowed opening of 9 special Vostro accounts in 2 Indian banks for settlement of trade payment between India and Russia. हम पहले इसके की हाइलाइट्स से पहले हम ये देख लें कि Nostro और Vostro अकाउंट्स हैं क्या। What is Vostro account? Vostro means yours in Latin. Account held by domestic bank for foreign bank in a local currency. In the case of India, it is in the rupee. Nostro and Vostro are held in a foreign denomination. Vostro accounts enable domestic banks to provide international bank services to their clients who have global banking needs. Therefore, the The accounts opened by IndusLand and UCO are Vostro. The ones opened by Russia सबर बैंक, जो रशिया के बैंक्स हैं वो उसको सबर बैंक है और VTB बैंक है, आर नोस्ट्रो अकाउंट्स. व्हाट इज ए नोस्ट्रो अकाउंट? नोस्ट्रो मीन्स लैटिन वन अवर्स. Nostro accounts is an account held by a bank in another bank. It allows the customers to deposit money in the bank's account in another bank. It is often used if a bank has no branches in a foreign country. Example, A does not have any branch in Russia but bank B does. Now, to receive the deposit in Russia, A will open Nostro account with B. Now, if any customer in Russia want to send money to A, they can deposit it into A's account in B. B will transfer the money to A. उसके बाद consider the following statement. ये practice question है for prelims. Recently, IndusLand and UCO Bank are opened Vostro account. Both the Nostro and Vostro accounts are held in a foreign denomination. इसका क्वेश्चन बताना है आपने कि राइट आंसर कौन सा है. अब हम चलते हैं इसके की हाइलाइट्स पर. की हाइलाइट्स ये हैं, अलो 9 सच अकाउंट्स इंडसलैंड बैंक है और यूको बैंक है. उसके बाद रशिया के 2 लार्जेस्ट बैंक हैं, सबर बैंक एंड VTB बैंक आर दी फर्स्ट फॉरेन lenders to have received approval from RBI. ओके, यहाँ पर हमारी समाप्त होती है वीडियो.